Welcome everyone to my art space today, and this is my dining table, and often it actually is used for my videoing because my desk is quite small, and so I love just taking time to just set up here with my flowers and my candle and just showing you my journal. So today I'm actually going to show you my mini Valentines journal. I'm normally not into Valentines, but today the reason why I decided to do one is because we're celebrating our 30th wedding anniversary soon, and I wanted to do something to acknowledge the fact that there were 30 years of ups and downs, and I'm grateful that we were being held and that it was the grace of God that we are still together. And so this hardcover book is actually a mini Snoopy book, which I had gutted the inside, and the cover was just sitting there, and as you do, you upcycle things. So as I do my flip through towards the end, you'll find that there are blank pages, and the reason being is I'm just going to use that for memory keeping for when we go away, and I just wanted to, have that as a memory keeping thing. So I've used this journal as mainly as a Thanksgiving prayer, and also praying for our continued marriage for future, and just asking for God's blessing. So enjoy. There's not going to be any talking, and I just pray that you will enjoy this flip through. Hope you enjoyed that. See you in my next video.